In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an invoice in Xero, a straightforward process that can enhance your invoicing management and ensure consistent communication with your clients. Let's dive into it. First, you need to log into your Xero account and navigate to your invoices. You can do this by going to the business section and selecting invoices. Once you're there, it's vital to know how to locate the specific invoice you want to resend. Xero provides a variety of tools to help with this. You have the option to use filters such as draft, awaiting payment, and paid to narrow down your list. Alternatively, you can utilize the search bar at the top to quickly find the invoice using specific keywords or client names. Once you found the invoice, click on it to open its detailed view. Once the invoice is open, the next step is to check its status. It's important to ensure that the invoice is approved because you can't send a draft invoice. If the invoice status is awaiting payment or even paid, you can resend it without any restrictions. This flexibility is particularly useful for keeping clients updated or addressing any missed or overlooked communications. To resend the invoice, start by opening the invoice if it's not already opened. Look towards the top right corner of your screen for the Invoice Options button. Click on it and you will see several actions you can perform. Select Send, or depending on the version of Xero you are using, it might show as email. Before hitting the Send button, take a moment to confirm the recipient's email address that's displayed. This section is editable, enabling you to make changes if necessary. Additionally, you have the option to add a custom message to accompany the invoice, or you can stick with the default settings Xero provides. Once you are satisfied with these details, click Send. After sending the invoice, it's reassuring to verify the action was completed. Xero automatically logs any email activity, allowing you to track communication with your clients. Simply scroll to the bottom of the invoice page and locate the History and Notes section. Here you will find a record of when the invoice was initially sent and any subsequent occasions it was resent. In addition to the standard method, Xero offers alternative ways to resend invoices that might suit different needs. For instance, you can download the invoice as a PDF and attach it manually to an email. You can also utilize the online invoice link feature. This secure link can be copied directly from the invoice screen and shared through chat, SMS, or directly via email. Furthermore, if the invoice is overdue, you might find the Send Reminder feature beneficial. This option sends a gentle nudge to your client highlighting the outstanding balance and the due date. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to resend invoices in Xero. By following these steps, you can ensure that your financial transactions are efficient and your client communications are clear.